Hi, this is Girl Purple out of Bella and Teddy's litter. Obviously she's a little bit darker than what Pink is. She's got a little bit straighter coat and she is the smallest of the litter. She has got some, oh, and the lightest in weight, the smallest of the puppies. She's got, well, she ain't gonna let me show you there. She's got a little bit of white on her chest there. Other than that, not a whole lot of markings. I don't know if I said or not, she's a little bit straighter coat. You can see her back, see her face, and then her chest. And that is Girl Purple.